is that Vishwanath is seeing that Radharani is sending Krishna away, not on one level, because she, on the secondary level, why Radharani sends Krishna out of the Kunj after she's enjoying with him immensely, and he's being satisfied completely. She sends, oh, my other Sakhis must be missing Krishna. They want to serve him, they want to please him. So then, out of her love for them and her compassion for them, she sends Krishna. And that's generally what you see in the Srimad Bhagavatam or other, even Govinda Lilamrita, other scriptures, and acharyas like Krishna's Kaviraj, etc. They explain it like that. Now, Vishwanath, in his commentary in Ujjwala Nilamani, we just heard, chapter 4, verse, whatever it was, 24, 5, whatever, he was saying, no, that's the secondary purpose. The primary purpose is that Radharani wants, because she has samartha rati, she has no selfishness and no personal consideration for her own happiness or pleasure. She only wants his satisfaction. She sends Krishna away from her to all the Sakhis so that he can get his full satisfaction with all of them. But all our other acharyas say that when Radharani does that, and Krishna goes and samples all those other flower-like gopis and drinks the nectar of their flower-like faces, you know, the Jewy flower face, and the gulab flower face, and the kadamba flower face, and the mogra flower face, and the jasmine flower face. And he said, oh, these lovely lotus faces of all these beautiful gopis, Alita, Vishaka, Chitra, Champak, Rangadevi, Sudevi, Tungavidya, and so many others, they're so sweet and so satisfying. But actually, after I've gone to them all on Radharani's request, I am very satisfied, but I'm going back to that lotus. So Radharani is a Prem Padma Bandhu. She is a Prem Sahasra Padma. There may be so many lotuses and so many flowers, but there's only one lotus. It's known as Sahasra Padma. It has 1,000 petals and 1,000 petals and 1,000 more petals. And each petal is a different bhav and a different way and means to please Krishna. So Radharani is the Sahasra Padma of Mahabhav Prem, of Mahabhav. So Krishna, he goes, yes, I'm very satisfied. I came back. So if he's so satisfied, why do you just, okay, I have my full. You go to the ice cream parlor, eat 2 kilos, and you can't eat more, you go home. You go sleep. You don't keep eating till you die. So if you reach your satiation point and you're satisfied, then you go back to Nandagram playing your flute and having a good time. But no, he came back for more. Anyor. He came back for more. Who did he come back to? From where he left. He came back to Radharani. So I guess that's the answer is Krishna. This is Vishnu is saying that. He's just like Jiva Goswami says, oh, there's Swakiya Bhav. And he kind of appears to push that on one level, although that's for others. And Vishwanath in his own commentary says, no, Jiva Goswami says this, but it's not like this. It's Parakiya Bhav here in this world and Parakiya Bhav in that world. And so it's a viewpoint. So we follow all the Goswamis' viewpoints and we mix them all together because it just makes a richer rasala tattva and rasala siddhanta, rasala lila.